Chuck, as COVID cases in Southern California start to level off, hospitals are still facing overcrowding in their intensive care units, and many are recruiting help. Today, NBC4's Angie Crouch spoke with one doctor who stepped up to help out at Kaiser Hollywood's COVID ward.
Our ICUs are still very much full of COVID-19 patients.
Dr. Diana Sheba is an eye surgeon and president of the LA County Medical Association. She's one of hundreds of healthcare workers who heeded the call to help out in intensive care units that are crowded with COVID-19 patients. Dr. Sheba volunteered Saturday at Kaiser Permanente in Hollywood for a 14-hour shift to provide some relief to overworked staff, helping doctors relay messages to patient relatives who can't visit due to the pandemic.
4 different physicians thanked me for the time, and they realized that I may not be able to rush in there and put in a central line or stabilize, a decompensating patient like an intensivist would. I think they were just thankful that there was someone there.
She says seeing the pain and suffering that COVID-19 is causing inside our hospitals is emotionally exhausting, but somehow our frontline workers just keep going.
You could look behind every glass door and see a patient who is someone's mother or father or brother or sister or husband or wife who is intubated and sedated, and it's just devastating to see what this virus can do.
Dr. Sheba brought with her a thank you card to healthcare workers from her children. That, along with donuts, was much appreciated by the staff who've been on the front lines for nearly a year. Dr. Sheba, who like many other healthcare workers has already received 2 vaccination shots, says she'll volunteer again if necessary. And if there's one thing she learned from her shift, it's that the public needs to work as hard as healthcare workers to put this pandemic behind us.
It's really admirable, just the dedication that you see in the team still, that they're not at all giving up. And so, I think if anything, their cry would be to the public, please remain vigilant.
Angie Crouch, NBC4 News.